Very nice program. Let's bring in our chief meteorologist, Jeff Ranieri, now. We're talking about that fire in the Santa Cruz Mountains, also a fire scare in Petaluma, but weather can now be helping the firefight.
Yeah, it definitely is. Over the next 72 hours, we're going to get just what we need to help to lower our fire threat across the Bay Area. As you're going to be able to see from San Jose, again, the fire near Loma Prieta, a lot of smoke billowing out from this, and we still currently have a hot 90 degrees, but light winds out of the west-northwest at 3, helping firefighters. And temperatures will be cooler tonight, down to the 70s by 9 p.m. And there's a key reason why we'll see cooler weather tonight, and you're already experiencing it in San Francisco. It's a fog storm of sorts here across the Golden Gate Bridge, not only the clouds, but areas of drizzle as well. We're currently at a much colder 67 degrees after a high of 71 degrees today. Much more comfortable, and temperatures dropping to the 50s here eventually by the late evening hours. So let's take a look at the impact this fog is having, and you're going to be able to see with it widespread here throughout the entire coastline. We are right now seeing temperatures 18 degrees cooler in San Francisco compared to this time yesterday. 25 degrees cooler in Half Moon Bay, and down 21 degrees in Santa Cruz. Not quite as much of a difference for the interior valleys, but don't worry. You'll get in on your own cooling here as we head throughout Wednesday and Thursday. So the key difference on your morning forecast for tomorrow, if you're doing any planning, is the low clouds coming back to the North Bay, San Francisco, and the East Bay. Temperatures beginning in the 50s to low 60s to start. On your microclimate forecast, that cooler wind and fog near the coast will help to keep our temperatures down instead of 90s. We're at 85 in Cupertino, 89 in San Jose. For the peninsula, a chilly 62 in Half Moon Bay, and San Francisco 60s across the board. For the North Bay, East Bay, and also for the Tri-Valley, these have been some of our hottest locations. No more 90s as Livermore drops to 88 and a much more comfortable 84 in Pleasanton. And right across the East Bay, Walnut Creek coming in at 86. Now, beyond Wednesday's forecast, the next big change happens by Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. It's a ways out, but this trough of low pressure, as it drops down, not only another reinforcing shot of cold air with this, but possibly the chance here of some spotty showers. Now, the forecast models are not agreeing so much on how much rain, but we do know it looks pretty good to get a little something here Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. San Francisco stays in the 60s for the extended forecast. And for the interior valleys, we go from the average of 89 tomorrow down to a couple of days. But get ready for a little something.
Okay, that's some encouraging news at least. Thanks.